How to fix no content available photo widget. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix no content available on photo widget. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first of all, you have to open settings on your device. Now tap on your nickname at top of the screen. Here, tap on Hey Tab Cloud button. When it opens, you need to scroll down. And here, you will see the option of apps using Cloud Sync. You need to tap on Photos and then open the Photos option. You can easily select either that's Chrome, Internet or Widget. And when you open the website, your issue will be fixed. If your issue has not been yet fixed, you need to tap and hold the Photos application and tap on I button. This will help you to access the app info section of Photos, where you need to tap on storage uses and clear cache. Come back and then tap Open by default and toggle on the button for open supported links. Come back and here you can easily first stop this application, and after that you need to wait for a while. After that, your no content available on photo widget will be fixed. So that's how we do it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.